Melissa Carver, your 31 director, and I just wanted to share with you part of our Baby by 31 line. This is our City Park diaper bag. This is brand new. You have it in the gray right here. It also comes in black. What I love about this right here is it has these nice little embellishments that fit perfect on your shoulder. So whether you're a new mom or maybe a mom of several children, this bag is huge and can be great for so many things. So I'm going to share with you right now what that is. You got the two pockets right here, big pockets on the sides. You also have a crossbody strap, so if you need to be hands-free, if you're carrying that child maybe in the car seat carrier, you can be hands-free, but you still have a big bag to carry all of those things that you're carrying with you while you're out and about with your new baby. All right, on the other side, you have our signature cell phone pocket right here to keep your cell phone close, and you have an extra pocket back here. So when you open it up, you have the zipper closure on top. And when you open it up, there are so many storage areas here. You have a place all around the edge, little elastic pockets to keep diapers and sippy cups, maybe snack packs back here in the thermal. So this is wonderful little brand new baby bag that we have by 31.